Is wearing right now. Hey guys, so we're going to Tauranga today, and yeah, here's Icon guys, and we're gonna get ready. I'm gonna use this Strokes foundation. It's really nice, guys. This one first. Just get ready with me, and the label has faded already, but we're gonna use this illuminator from Get Ready With Me in the shade Vega. What do I put after this one? Okay, so we're gonna apply the foundation now. I'm in the shade light 03. So we're gonna use this instant contour cream bronzer by MCO Beauty, and I'm in the shade light medium. BLK cream all over paint. This squad concealer, and this is like very good. The coverage is like really nice. We're gonna let it marinate first, guys. Detail Make Brow Definer in black. It's going to like fill the sparse area, and yeah. Then Catrice Sun Melted and Pretty Tan.
Oh, beauty cam. It looks good on me, bro.
Hey guys, so we're going to Tauranga today.
We'll catch you up when we get there, guys.
Yes. See you guys later. This is my fit, guys. And this is what Misha's wearing right now. Hey. Hi guys, we're here in Bay Fair. We're looking. We're looking. Hey guys, so today is December 3 and we're here at our house and we're gonna cook some brownies. I mean bake some brownies. And yeah, I bought this Betty Crocker frosted chocolate brownie mix in Pack and Save. So, and we have vanilla ice cream in our freezer. So yay! So we need 2 extra large eggs, but we don't have those extra large, but I think this will do. And then some melted butter, so we're gonna melt some butter.
now I'm gonna cut my hair, and I searched up on TikTok, and it's apparently people cut like this. It looks a bit strange.
Watch out! Oh,
For the TikTok and stuff. It's actually nice. And I still have to cut like a little bit more. But yeah, this is free haircut. So if you want me to cut your hair.
Okay guys, we're just heading to the lake because it's
So sunny, guys.
yeah, like, and so we decided to go for a walk.
And swim, maybe.
Yeah, maybe. You never know.
You will never know.
So yeah. Sponsored.
I'm friend and how are you feeling?
Scared.
How are you feeling?
Hello. How are you feeling?
Oh, nervous and hot.
Guys, this is our last finger hearts in the hall. This is our last finger hearts in the hall. Last finger heart. Last finger hearts in the hall. Where kayo?
Hi everyone. For next year, I'll be doing a gap year and maybe see some parts of the world.
1, 2, 3, go! Hey guys, we just Guanajuato. Okay, we're gonna take pictures, guys. Hey guys, last day.
I just Guanajuato.
Guys, Kiki's leaving tomorrow.